Dell provides a diverse selection of keyboards tailored to various requirements and tastes. These keyboards are crafted to deliver a pleasant typing experience, featuring keys that respond well and ergonomic designs for comfort. Additionally, some models offer extra functionalities like multimedia controls, illuminated keys, and wireless connectivity. Dell keyboards are compatible with a range of operating systems and are constructed with robust materials to ensure durability. Whether you're using them for personal or professional purposes, Dell keyboards are a dependable option for individuals seeking a top-notch keyboard. We've listed the top 5 best Dell keyboards of 2023 and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to our products mentioned in the video are in the description below. Number 5. Dell X20M87VHY1. This is an authentic Dell USB keyboard designed for multimedia and business use. It boasts 104 keys along with 14 convenient hotkeys. It connects via a USB cable and is built to withstand spills, featuring a removable palm rest for added comfort. The hotkeys cover functions like sleep mode, internet browsing, accessing My Computer, launching a calculator, using Zoom, checking emails, adjusting volume, muting sound, and controlling media playback. Additionally, it incorporates a 2-port USB hub for extra connectivity options and is available in both black and silver color options. Number 4. Dell Keyboard KB212B. The KB212B keyboard, produced by Wise Technology for Dell, is a wireless input device known for its ergonomic design, ensuring user comfort during extended use. It is fully compatible with the Windows 10 operating system. This keyboard features 104 keys and offers support for single-color backlighting. In terms of its physical dimensions, it measures 5 inches in width, 17.4 inches in length, and has a thickness of 0.43 inches. Number 3. Dell G17CY Keyboard. The Dell G17CY backlit keyboard is an authentic OEM Dell laptop notebook keyboard, specifically designed for use with the Latitude 12 rugged tablet. This English QWERTY keyboard is an excellent choice for improving your typing experience. Its rubberized, non-slip feet offer stability, ensuring that the keyboard stays securely in place during use. Additionally, this keyboard includes a built-in mousepad, simplifying navigation and control. The Dell G17CY backlit keyboard serves as a practical and dependable accessory for your Latitude 12 rugged tablet. Number 2. Dell Premier Collaboration Keyboard KB900. The Dell Collaboration Keyboard is a wireless keyboard designed to facilitate effortless collaboration. It comes equipped with Zoom touch controls that make it easy to manage your microphone, mute, unmute, control video, on, off, screen sharing, and access the chat panel through simple double taps on the icons. The smart backlighting feature illuminates the keys when you approach, enhancing your productivity in various environments. This keyboard also offers ultra-quiet typing, ensuring you can work quietly without disturbing others. Its scissor switch key design delivers an optimal typing experience without the associated noise. The Dell Collaboration Keyboard is an exceptional choice for those seeking a top-quality, user-friendly keyboard for effective collaboration. Number 1. Dell Wired Keyboard 580 ADMT. The Dell Wired Keyboard Black KB216 580 ADMT is an excellent option for everyday computing needs, whether at home or in the office. It boasts a chiclet-style key layout, USB connectivity, and single-color backlighting. Compatibility-wise, it is designed to work seamlessly with a range of Dell devices including Alienware, Inspiron, Latitude, Optiplex, Precision Mobile Workstation, Precision Tower, and Vostro. Customers have praised this keyboard for its affordability and comfort, deeming it a valuable choice. Moreover, it includes a light indicator to signal when the caps lock is engaged, providing a convenient way to check without needing to glance at the keyboard. For more detail, follow the links given in the description box down below. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.